Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer. Bharat Ratna. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India, given for exceptional service towards the advancement of art, literature, science, and public service. Who was the first recipient of the Bharat Ratna award? Answer. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Rajagopalachari, an Indian politician and independence activist, was the first recipient of the Bharat Ratna in 1954. Which award is considered the highest honor for bravery in India? Answer. Param Veer Chakra. The Param Veer Chakra is India's highest military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Which prestigious international award is given annually for achievements in various fields like peace, literature, and medicine? Answer. Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize is an international award given annually in several categories by Swedish and Norwegian institutions. What is the highest award given by the Indian government to recognize achievements in the field of cinema? Answer. Dadasaheb Phalke Award. The Dadasaheb Phalke Award is India's highest award in cinema, named after the father of Indian cinema, Dadasaheb Phalke. Who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna Award? Answer. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, the first female Prime Minister of India, was the first woman to be awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1971. Which award is known as the highest civilian award in the United States? Answer. Presidential Medal of Freedom. The Presidential Medal of Freedom is the highest civilian award of the United States, awarded for an especially meritorious contribution to the security or national interests of the United States. What is the highest sporting honor in India? Answer. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sporting honor in India, given for outstanding performance in sports. Which Indian personality has won the Nobel Prize for Peace? Answer. Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi, an Indian child rights activist, won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Which award is given for excellence in the field of literature in India? Answer. Jnanpith Award. The Jnanpith Award is a prestigious Indian literary award presented annually by the Bharatiya Jnanpith for an author's outstanding contribution to literature. Who was the first recipient of the Param Veer Chakra? Answer. Major Somnath Sharma. Major Somnath Sharma was the first recipient of the Param Veer Chakra, awarded posthumously for his bravery during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. Which Indian artist was awarded the Bharat Ratna for his contribution to music? Answer. Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar, one of India's most iconic playback singers, was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2001 for her contribution to Indian music. Which international award is given for journalism and the arts? Answer. Pulitzer Prize. The Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievements in newspaper, magazine, and online journalism, literature, and musical composition within the United States. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, an Indian poet, received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913, becoming the first Indian and first non-European to receive this award. Which Indian scientist has won the Nobel Prize in Physics? Answer. C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, an Indian physicist, won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for his work on the scattering of light and the discovery of the Raman effect. Which award is given by the Indian government to honor achievements in sports coaching? Answer. Dronacharya Award. The Dronacharya Award is an award presented by the Government of India for excellence in sports coaching. Which Indian received the Nobel Prize for Economics? Answer. Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen, an Indian economist and philosopher, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998 for his contributions to welfare economics. Which is the highest literary honor awarded by the Government of India? Answer. Saraswati Samman. The Saraswati Samman is an annual award for outstanding prose or poetry literary works in any of the 22 Indian languages listed in Schedule 8 of the Indian Constitution. Which Indian freedom fighter was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1992? Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an Indian freedom fighter and the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1992. Which international award is given for achievements in the field of environmental conservation? Answer: Goldman Environmental Prize. The Goldman Environmental Prize is awarded annually to grassroots environmental activists, one from each of the world's 6 inhabited continents. Which Indian author was the first to win the Man Booker Prize? Answer: Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy, an Indian author, won the Man Booker Prize in 1997 for her novel, The God of Small Things. Which Indian physicist was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in 1954? Answer: Drive. Satyendra Nath Bose. Dr. Satyendra Nath Bose, known for his work on quantum mechanics, was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1954. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award? Answer: Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was the first Indian woman to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award for her selfless service to the poor and needy. Which Indian personality has won the Oscar Award? Answer: A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman, an Indian music composer, won 2 Academy Awards, Oscars, in 2009 for Best Original Score and Best Original Song for the film, Slumdog Millionaire. Which award is known as the Nobel Prize of Asia? Answer: Ramon Magsaysay Award. The Ramon Magsaysay Award is regarded as Asia's highest honor and is often considered the Nobel Prize of Asia. Which award is given for outstanding contribution to the Indian Armed Forces? Answer: Sena Medal. The Sena Medal is awarded to members of the Indian Armed Forces for acts of exceptional devotion to duty or courage. Which Indian artist won the Grammy Award? Answer: Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar, an Indian sitar virtuoso and composer, won multiple Grammy Awards for his contribution to world music. Which international award is presented for achievements in the field of architecture? Answer: Pritzker Architecture Prize. The Pritzker Architecture Prize is awarded annually to honor a living architect whose work demonstrates a combination of talent, vision, and commitment. Which Indian was the first to receive the Templeton Prize? Answer: Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was the first Indian to receive the Templeton Prize in 1973 for her spiritual and humanitarian work. Which Indian personality has received both the Bharat Ratna and the Nishan-e-Pakistan? Answer: Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai, the former Prime Minister of India, is the only person to have received both the Bharat Ratna and the Nishan-e-Pakistan. Which award is given by the President of India for gallantry displayed by civilians? Answer: Ashok Chakra. The Ashok Chakra is India's highest peacetime gallantry award, given for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. Which Indian scientist was awarded the Padma Bhushan for his work in space technology? Answer: Drive. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as the Missile Man of India, was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1981 for his contributions to space technology and defense. Which Indian received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Answer: Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan, an Indian-born British-American structural biologist, received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009. Which award is given by the Government of India to individuals and organizations for contributions to the empowerment of women? Answer: Nari Shakti Puraskar. The Nari Shakti Puraskar is the highest civilian honor for women in India, recognizing exceptional contributions to women's empowerment. Which award is given annually by the Government of India for significant achievements in social work? Answer: Padma Shri. The Padma Shri is the 4th highest civilian award in India, given for distinguished service in various fields, including social work. Which Indian author won the Booker Prize for the novel, Midnight's Children? Answer: Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie, an Indian-born British author, won the Booker Prize in 1981 for his novel, Midnight's Children. Which award is given by the Government of India for outstanding achievements in the field of science and technology? Answer: Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar Prize. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is awarded annually for outstanding research in the fields of science and technology. Which Indian politician received the Bharat Ratna for his role in economic reforms? Answer. Drive. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh, the former Prime Minister of India, received the Bharat Ratna for his role in economic reforms in India, though not officially awarded the Bharat Ratna. Which award is given annually for outstanding contributions to the Indian music industry? Answer. Sangeet Natak Akademi Award. The Sangeet Natak Akademi Award is India's highest award for performing arts, given for outstanding contributions to music, dance, and drama. Which Indian film director was awarded the Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 1992? Answer. Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray, a legendary Indian filmmaker, received the Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 1992 for his outstanding contribution to Indian cinema. Which award is given by the Indian government for the promotion of rural development? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi National Award. The Mahatma Gandhi National Award is given for excellence in rural development and Panchayati Raj. Which award is given by the Indian government to recognize excellence in literature for children? Answer. Bal Sahitya Puraskar. The Bal Sahitya Puraskar is awarded annually by the Sahitya Akademi for outstanding literary work for children in various Indian languages. Which Indian cricketer has received the Bharat Ratna? Answer. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, one of India's greatest cricketers, was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2014, making him the first sportsperson to receive the honor. Which Indian film won the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film? Answer. None. No Indian film has won the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film, though several have been nominated. Which Indian author won the Man Booker Prize for the novel, The White Tiger? Answer. Aravind Adiga. Aravind Adiga, an Indian author, won the Man Booker Prize in 2008 for his debut novel, The White Tiger. Which Indian social activist received the Magsaysay Award for her work in the field of education? Answer. Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi, India's first female police officer, received the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 1994 for her work in the field of education and police reforms. Which award is given by the Indian government for excellence in sports journalism? Answer. Sports Journalists Federation of India, SJFI, Award. The Sports Journalists Federation of India, SJFI, award is given annually to recognize outstanding sports journalism in India. Which Indian author won the Nobel Prize for Literature? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his book of poems, Gitanjali, making him the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature.